What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm bringing you guys a highly requested passion twist tutorial, and I know you guys have been asking me to do this tutorial for forever, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So today this video is sponsored by Dorsanee hair. They're an Amazon supplier, and I'm using 3.5 packs of their passion twist hair in 18 inches, and this curl pattern is water wave, and it's perfect for the passion twist. So I'm gonna pull it out the package and show you guys how it comes. Each individual strand will make up one twist, so you guys can see it's kind of hooked together, and it's a pretty ombre color. This is a 1B and 30, and they do have different color options on their site. And as always, all the products that I'm using will be linked in the description section. So my client wanted her twist to lay really flat, but a trick that you guys can do if you want your twist to be a little bit fluffier, kind of like almost like a spring twist, is you can take your finger down each side and pull it down, and it'll help fluff the hair out without giving it a lot of frizz. So you guys can see there that it kind of like separates a little bit. You can do that on each side, and that will make your passion twist just a little bit fluffier. So I'm doing square partings for these twists today, and as always, I always section off the front and the back just because I feel like it helps me move a lot faster when I work in two different sections. So I'm gonna do the whole back section first, and then I'll move on to the top. So to find my parts today, I'm using Shine and Jam in the red bottle, the Magic Fingers. I really toggle between this one and the Silk Edges, and I will link both of them in the description section for you guys. I'm going to show a couple different clips of how I attach the passion twist hair to my client's natural hair. So in this one, I'm just using my client's hair as the third leg of the braid, and I'm going to braid down about 1 inch, which is typically longer than what I would do for a Senegalese twist, but passion twists are known to slip out, so you want to really make sure that it is secure at the root. And I coated my client's hair with product just to help it blend better into the twist, because that's another thing, your client's hair will pop out. Now, after I braid down that inch, I'm going to separate my client's hair into two and add it on to my strands of passion twist hair, and I'm just twisting to the right. There's no special way that I'm twisting this. I know usually for like Senegalese twists, you are twisting the hair as you're twisting, if that makes sense. I know that part is always confusing to explain, but I'm not doing anything special. I'm just twisting to the right, and then when I get to the end, I'm gonna kind of twirl it around my finger and let it loose, and it will fall right into place. So here's another up close clip of how I'm attaching it. So my client's hair is going to be the third strand of that braid, and I'm going to go ahead and twist it in. Now, depending on what hair you're using, I just think the most important thing is to make sure that you're twisting it the right way. For this hair, I twist it to the right. Sometimes, depending on the curl pattern of the hair that you're using, you may need to twist to the left. But you'll notice like which way you need to twist after you do a couple, and you'll kind of be able to tell. The great thing about the passion twist is like they're supposed to be messy looking, so I feel like if you're someone who's like twisting is hard, or you're not really good at connecting at the root, I don't think it really matters, because this is kind of like one of those like messy bohemian type styles. I definitely love and would recommend this hair. It made doing the passion twist so easy for me. Typically, I would use like a free tress brand of hair that is really dry looking, and so that's one thing that I really liked about this hair, is it didn't make the twist look dry, and I really loved the ends of the hair, how it was already curled and gave that curly look. So yeah, it kind of simplified the process for me. I know I had mentioned before that I hate doing passion twists, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I had posted a while back that I'm gonna stop offering them. And it's just because like they don't last long at all. The hair pops out, they slip, all of that. But these definitely look like they would last a little bit longer typically than the other ones that I've done. And I don't know if that's due to the grip on the hair or what, but yeah, before, I don't know what type of curl pattern I was using, but yeah, so what you guys just saw me do right there was I took a little bit of product off of my hand, and where my client's natural hair ended, I just used a little bit of the product right there to help blend her hair into this passion twist hair, because like I said before, the client's hair will tend to poke out, and so you want to make sure that it's really gripped onto the synthetic hair, and just adding that product in right there really does help. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple other items that I received from their Amazon store. They're really versatile in the things that they offer. So they have this cork canvas head that you can use for wig making, and it pretty much came with everything you need. So the head stand, the T-pins, a wig cap, clips, the seed needle, thread, and theirs is 23 inches. And then I also got this tripod stand that is adjustable. So right now I don't have it fully extended, but it also came with 3 different attachments on it. And so that was amazing as well. The maximum height that it goes to is 40 inches, but it's very sturdy, and I love that it had like the solid metal head versus the plastic, because the plastic ones, like in that bag, I think that's a plastic one in there, but you see the tripod stand has the metal one, and they're just a lot more sturdy. So yes guys, make sure you check the description section and visit their Amazon store. So when the wig stand comes, you do have to assemble it, and to do that, you're going to take the long tube and insert it into that hole, and you can see that there's holes there to make sure that that is adjustable, and then you're going to take the metal attachment and go ahead and screw that on. And I'm just going to show you guys how adjustable this is, because it will go up to about my chest. I'm 5'4", so it does go pretty high. I know it looks really small when it's sitting on this table. So in order to do that, you're just going to kind of adjust it to the level that you want, and then you screw that in tight. So here I'm going to show you how high that it's standing, just so you guys can see. To attach your canvas, you're just going to insert the metal part inside of the hole, and you're going to tighten it to your liking, and then boom, you're ready to go. You can put your unit on there using the T-pins. You just hold it on there and you are ready to style away. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so sorry for that piece on my tripod being in the clip. I didn't even really notice until I was done, and I was like, oh my god. But the ombre color is so cute. At first I wanted to do all black, but I'm so happy that they sent me this color because it's actually really cute. So yeah, these are the passion twists. I really feel like this is a DIY style, so I would recommend you guys doing it yourself, because I know for me personally, I charge the same amount I would do for like box braids or anything else, and like I said, they typically don't last as long. But with this hair, I definitely feel like it will be a lot better than the other crochet hair that I was using. So yes, I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated. I'm gonna have my client let me know how these are rocking for her so far. And yeah, they're just so gorgeous. I love them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, or if you guys have tried this hair. As always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?